You're alone. You don't know what's happening. You fall in the hole. Still scared. You still don't know what to do.
I know what you're doing.
You're so lonely. Don't talk to me. You're alone. Oh my God. You talk to yourself at night.
I was talking to you, you ass.
I'm not here.
You vagina?
This is a documentary. Like on the blue planet. You're scared. All the time. Your mom misses you. Where's Mom?
I don't know.
Ooh. She'd be here to help you. But Mommy isn't here and you're scared.
Mommy's dating that native boy who just doesn't like us.
You see the one that tried to get me in the box?
What? Oh no. Different one. One that actually.
Oh, now shut up and back to the documentary. So scared.
It's really deep back there.
There's a wolf watching.
What? Oh. I was like, what?
Oh my God, it's on the attack. It's gonna kill you, not me. Ah, dear Lord. Camera guy runs away. Jesus, couldn't
I would
save
smile
you
in
now.
this situation.
Oh God, it's running. It's afraid of me. Ah, ah. So many sticks. So many sticks. Ah, so many. Ah, shit. So many sticks. Dear Lord, the wolf's still out there. They could turn at any minute. They could turn. Oh God. Ah, the wolf. Its leader calls. The leader. They both leave. Oh God, she's still so scared.
Turn around.
Ah,
What do you want from me?
the siren.